I'll show you. So that's the restrooms, and they actually put it behind this vending machine. So this is the elevator at the brown loading dock at Tysons Corner Center. Here it is. Oh, by the way, that door random. No. Yeah, it does that all the time.
Oh, okay.
It even did that when I was filming. Just randomly opens. Here it comes. You could get the machine room. There. Meanwhile, we can take a look at the loading dock. No one home.
It's cold.
Take a look out here. Here's the loading dock. Right, and here it is. This one has the horrible bell, actually. It's very, very neglected. It takes forever to close. Oh my god.
There you go.
Alright, motor.
Now I see what you're talking about.
Can't reverse it. I love how they have a camera in here and it's pointing the wrong way. There's a camera there and it's pointing the wrong way. It's so freaking useless. Yeah, beautiful bell. There's DJ, Vanity Foamer.
Stop.
Innovation.
Your fixtures with your 88 phone.
Original V.
What's the capacity? Put down the time.
Take a look at the certificate, then leave.
There's your indicator right there.
How does it close like immediately when like? Fucking hell.
I forgot to see what the automatically. Let's get it started. There it goes. Oh, yeah.